Vantrue unboxing and sample videos and pictures. After years of reliance on my 1080p dashcam, the time has come to upgrade to a 4K model. In today's world, I find certain features indispensable. Regrettably, the prevalence of road rage incidents, hit-and-runs, and drive-by shootings has increased. Although I hope never to be involved in such situations, or witness them, I must ensure that my camera can capture detailed information, especially license plates. As frequently highlighted in the news, without a clear view of a license plate, the police's ability to effectively investigate is severely limited. Many users may not realize their dashcam's limitations in capturing license plate information. During the day, the footage may be too blurry or not sharp enough for recognition. At night, it could be too dark or overly bright. How does your camera perform under these conditions? Among other 4K dashcams on the market, I selected this model for its Sony Starvis 2 sensor. Sony's Starvis technology, known for its back-illuminated pixel technology, enhances low-light image quality by allowing more light to be absorbed by each pixel. Having reviewed sample videos from this camera and compared them to others, I concluded that this camera was the best choice. While it may be slightly pricier than some other 4K options, it's important to remember that not all 4K cameras are created equal. 4K refers merely to the number of pixels in a frame. The quality of the image sensor and lens are far more critical. I've observed 4K cameras delivering subpar video quality due to inferior lens and sensor quality. First impressions. Build quality. It's evident that this is not a cheaply made product. Large lens. The sizable lens allows more light to reach the sensor, resulting in brighter and sharper images. Some additional features. Triple cameras, covering every angle with a front 4K camera, an inside cabin 1080p camera, and a rear 1080p camera. Date and time stamp. GPS data. Speed data. Parking mode monitoring and recording, requires an optional power cable. The package includes everything needed for installation, except the SD card. SD cards support up to 512 GB, SD card not included.